Good morning. Good morning, class 6th. So, today we are going to start with the comprehension part of the poem Breakfast. I have sent you the explanation of the poem also, and with this, we will start with the comprehension part. So, come to the page number 43, comprehension. Answer the following questions. What is the best meal for the poet? What is the best meal for the poet? The best meal for the poet is his breakfast. The best meal for the poet is his breakfast. What did the poet relish most when he was a boy? What did the poet relish most when he was a boy? When the poet was a boy, he used to relish eggs and the bacon the most. When the poet was a boy, he used to relish eggs and bacon the most. उसे यंग एज में सबसे ज्यादा ब्रेकफास्ट में एग्स और बेकन ही पसंद था ना. So what is the poet at present? What is the poet at present? At present, the poet is friendly old gentleman. At present, the poet is friendly old gentleman. What is the synonym of delight? What is the synonym of delight? Synonym of delight is charm or enchant. Charm or enchant. Any one word you can write. Now we come to the second part, MCQ part. Now we will take the correct answer. We have our breakfast in the morning, afternoon or evening. So we have our breakfast in the morning. A option is correct. What did the author eat for the breakfast? Porridge, omelette, tea and a toast and a tea. C part, toast and the tea. The author had his breakfast on which color of tray? Golden tray, silver tray or steel tray? Silver tray. So we have completed this MCQ part also. Now we come to the summary part. Now you will read the summary and the help box is given under the below the summary box, and you have to take the help of these words and fill in the blanks. On returning from a bath in the morning, the poet experiences rare delight. The poet experiences a rare delight in having what to him is the day's best meal, comprising honey, toast and tea. With the passage of time, the poet became old. The poet became old from a young man. His tastes had been changed from eggs and bacon to honey, toast and tea. The poet's view is different from others in that while he thinks that the breakfast is the best meal of the day, others may prefer lunch. Others may prefer lunch. So I'll repeat the filling the blanks. The first one is bath. The second one is rare delight. Third one is old. Fourth one is eggs and bacon. Fifth one is the best meal. And the last one is prefer lunch. The last one is prefer lunch. Now we come to the language skill part. सबसे नीचे page number 43, last question. Make the possible questions to match the answers. Now here the answers are given and you have to form the questions. The poet ate 2 eggs. The first one is done for you. How many eggs did the poet eat? Question mark. It is nearly 7 o'clock. This is the answer. So what will be the question? What is time by now? What is time by now? The poet accepted the prize. What will be the question? What did the poet accept? What did the poet accept? There are 12 eggs in the tray. There are 12 eggs in the tray. How many eggs are there in the tray? The question is, how many eggs are there in the tray? Fifth, my favorite dish is pizza. My favorite dish is pizza. So the question will be, what is your favorite dish? What is your favorite dish? Sixth, the poet did not go swimming because he was ill. The poet did not go swimming because he was ill. Why did not the poet go swimming? Why did not the poet go swimming? So with this we have completed this page, and you have to do the question answer part in your copies, notebooks, and then the summary as well as this part into the language skill part into the book only. So I hope you might have understood the summary of the poem. I have sent you the summary also and this first page also. First of all, you complete this, then I will send the next page to you. Thank you.